Give them more fire, more fire. I just gotta pray for more fire, more fire. I'm hoping he come with more fire, more fire. I ain't get no sleep cause of y'all. I promise you that y'all won't get no sleep cause of me. When a nigga lick his plate, that's when dogs eat. Find me with my lost sheep, setting fire to the streets as I speak. For whatever man's soul shall he reap. And my people was sold like some fucking raw meat. What you thought that I would let that slide? Bitch, you owe me. And I want your ass in chains, cracker get below me. Same to the Arabs, the Africans, Chinese.
This Officer Cordash DeBarra 5000 out of Detroit. Right now we doing a food drive, clothing drive. We got all of the food right here. We got plenty of food, about 3, 4, 5 pallets of this food right here. We just haven't brought it all out. You got instant but mashed potatoes. Hold on, I thought this was milk. These instant mashed potatoes, this automatically good. You got orange juice, red kidney beans, chicken, all of that. Milk, 2% milk. You got lentils. This whole food package got a lot of stuff in there. You got beef stew and beans. Tons of food in there, man, that's gonna be satisfiable to the people. You got clothing boxes for the girls, jogging suits. You got Adidas shirts. You got Adidas shirts, gloves, socks, toys for the kids. All kind of good stuff going on. Go ahead.
I just make sure you let the people know when they come up here, when they see our white boxes, the G stands for girl, the number stands for the age. Same way with the boy. The B stands for boy, the number stands for the age. So this box here, say B5, will be for a boy 5 years old. Where this one right here, say G11, this whole box will go to a girl 11 years old.
Yeah, so this is boys and girls clothing. All the way up to 12 is what I done seen. I don't think I seen a 13. Oh, you got a girl 13 right here. 13-year-old girl, you got it going all the way up to 13. We got people coming in right now as we speak. You got Katab over there organizing clothes that we got. We got people coming in as we speak. It's always going down when we do these food and clothing drives. It's always going down. We building up an exceeding army. All of these brothers out here is extra militant. They got toxic masculinity all in their body. These brothers is toxic.
More fire, more fire. Give them more fire, more fire. I just gotta pray for more fire, more fire. I'm hoping he come with more fire, more fire. I ain't get no sleep cause of y'all. I promise you that y'all won't get no sleep cause of me. When a nigga lick his plate, that's when dogs eat. Find me with my lost sheep, setting fire to the streets as I speak. For whatever man's soul shall he reap. And my people was sold like some fucking raw meat. What you thought that I would let that slide? Bitch, you owe me. And I want your ass in chains, cracker get below me. Same to the Arabs, the Africans, Chinese and Jewish, man. Not cause of your skin, but you played a hand in my demise.
¿Qué le pareció la colecta?
Muy bueno, muy bueno.
¿Qué te gusta?
Estuvo bien, todo estuvo bien.
¿Todo bien? Colecta otra vez. Ready? Listo. ¿Vendrás de la colecta otra vez?
Sí, por supuesto.
Sí.
Muy bueno.
¿Por qué tú quieres?
Muy bueno, muy bueno, muy
Yes,
amable.
Chinese and Jewish, man, not cause of your skin, but you played a hand in my demise. Got rich off our lives and filled the world with lies. You preyed on the feeble minds, now you gotta pay the price. And you gon' pay with your life because your forefathers gone. Make amends with your sins, it's gon' get worse if you don't. Woe to the wicked who think that this shit is all just a joke. Pray for my bruise up in Cali cause it's up in smoke. Stole our identity, then you kept it all hidden. We didn't deserve the way you was dealing with us so differently. Didn't we have identity? Damn it, that's just a memory. But now we bout to double the ante through our divinity. Taking too many days off now. I'm on the move.